This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to give permission to applications and stuff on your Android phone. So we can go down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to applications. So let's find applications, tap on this. In the top right we can go to the three little dots. And we can go to permission manager now. Now under here we can allow different permissions for different applications and stuff. So if we want to gain access, maybe either camera or location is what we'll probably be doing, or microphone. So we can go to location, for example. And if we want these different applications to allow location, we can just allow it under here. So we can go to my camera. Actually, let's go to my web browser right here. And then just allow the location on there. Okay, so very easy to do that. And it should be set to up here. It says allowed all the time, allowed only while in use. So maybe I want to change this. Is there a ask every time? I think that's the most permission I can allow right there. But we can do the same thing for like our camera. Let's say our camera app isn't working for some reason. We can go up to camera and we can just make sure it's set to allow. Or even the microphone if we're trying to play like Fortnite or something. So go to the camera application you're trying to use. So here's camera. That should probably have it. Allow while using the application. Okay, so very easy. Just go there and you should be able to figure it out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.